the Iowa Spirit on 8.
It's 10 o'clock, and now from TV-8, where news is #1, Kevin Cooney, Kathy Saltero, Connie McBurney with weather, and Pete Taylor sports. This is TV-8 News live at 10.
Good evening, and thank you for joining us. Daycare is an issue that currently affects millions of American men, women, and children.
And in the years to come, it will affect even more. As an example, 1/3 of the working parents in this country who have kids under 12 had to give up a job or a promotion because of the lack of adequate child care. Soon, possibly as soon as tomorrow, Congress is going to vote on helping those parents and those children. As we hear in this report from Ann Wheeler in our Washington bureau, many people showed up on Capitol Hill to support this legislation.
This is the year of the family.
The families rallied on the steps of the Capitol, many of them single mothers or single fathers with children in hand. They came from different states, but share a common concern: lack of affordable quality child care. Steve Siegel came to Washington from Ottumwa, Iowa with his 2 sons. Steve can afford daycare, but believes the federal government should help.
Well, we think this ABC bill would install some federal regulations so that we'd have some idea on the qualifications and qualities of the child care providers. Would also allow the daycare providers themselves to make some more money, and also provide some subsidies for low-income workers.
The timing of this rally is critical because the child care bill these families support is now being debated on the floor of the Senate and is close to a vote. There's little opposition to a child care bill, but Democrats and Republicans differ on how to pay for that service. Democrats would provide money to low-income families and to centers, and the bill includes tax credits. Republicans prefer using tax credits without direct funds to low-income families or centers. They would include block grants to states. Right now, focus is on the Senate.
It's going to be a compromise, all of us working together, listening to all of those groups representing children as to what they think should be done to address these problems of child care.
For Steve Siegel, the issue is simple.
It's an investment in our future. We got to have these kids grow up safe and sound, and we want people to work, so let's provide them with quality child care.
The Senate may vote on the child care bill as early as Thursday. President Bush threatens to veto the Democratic version of the bill if it reaches his desk. Ann Wheeler, TV-8 News, Washington.
By the way, Siegel and others today said they also support what's called the Family Medical Leave Bill. It allows several weeks of unpaid leave when a child is born or becomes ill.
On a related issue, caring for sick children is one part of daycare dilemma being faced by many big companies.